Hey students, it's Scott. Next is digestion. So what are we going to do? First of all, we're going to do the overview of digestion and look at all the different organs, starting with the mouth and the pharynx and working our way down to the esophagus, going to the stomach. You learn the different parts of the stomach. That's always an interesting thing. And look at how the stomach digests food, the kind of food it digests. We'll look at the wall of the stomach, which is interesting, and some of the problems that you can have with the stomach, such as ulcers and how bacteria affect that. Then next we move on to the duodenum, and in the duodenum it's the very first part. It means 10 fingers, duodenum. And the small little part is going to have where the pancreas is going to be releasing its chemicals into the small intestine, as well as bile is going to be coming from the gallbladder. We'll look at all of this. And then we'll follow down the small intestine and we'll look at, move on down to from the duodenum to the jejunum to the ileum, and then we'll come and move on to the large intestine. You'll learn the different regions of the large intestine, the ascending colon, transverse descending and whatnot, and on down out to the rectum. So anyway, so we learn all the parts of that. Then after that, we're going to look at the digestive functions. So how it works, saliva, teeth, things like that, and how that helps with the digestive process. We then are going to move on to the physiology of chemical digestion and absorption, which is a little more complicated. Usually there's a lab associated with this, but we're going to be looking at the different pancreatic juices and what that we have, and all the chemicals, and how very important the pancreas is. And of course the liver too is so critical in this whole process. And then after that, look at absorption, how the food's absorbed and what form it's absorbed. They're really complicated when it's fats. The others are pretty straightforward, so look closely at the fats while you do that. Okay, and then we have a little section on the development of the digestive tract. Wow. Anyway, I hope you enjoy it. Okay.